In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get a fishing license in Portugal. To get started, head over to dgrm.pt. Next is click on fishing. And from this page, once again, click on fishing. Now from here, choose what kind of fishing are you looking for. So it could be professional or recreational. Then just click on the link. And from here, you can actually see important documents that may be important for you to read. Now, from this page, click on licensing. And here you can see ways for you to be able to obtain a fishing license. You can actually obtain one from any ATM, but this is only applicable for Portuguese citizens with a Portuguese ATM card. You can also avail at the DGRM counter in Lisbon for national and foreign citizens. You can actually avail through counters of the Regional Directorates of Agriculture and Fisheries of the North or DGR AP North. This is also applicable for national and foreign citizens. And lastly, you can obtain it via the portal BMAR. Just follow the link. But if you prefer in person, you can just head over at the DGRM office or at one of the regional fisheries offices across Portugal. Now, from the BMAR page, start by logging into an account, and once inside, you can basically fill out the application form. So, you'll choose the type of license. It could be shore or land fishing, boat fishing, underwater, or a general license that covers all. And of course, the validity period, if it's daily, monthly, or annual. Of course, you also need to pay the required fee. In the same page on DGRM, you can see the applicable fees section. For dismounted license type, it's gonna be 2 for daily, for monthly, and €8 for annual. You can also see here for onboard license type, submarine, and general play or all types. And once your license is issued, it will be stored in the DGRM database. You can carry a printout or show it on your phone. Authorities may check via SMS or QR. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!